Today I'm using my book, Whispers of Heaven. And in it I wrote, I express love in such a manner that it will warm the heart of humanity. It brings confidence, faith, and hope to everyone I encounter. This warmth goes from me and it heals every situation I'm presented with, not with words or with actions, but with the energy of loving thoughts. So now let's put these words of wisdom to work in our lives. We do it through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. Take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There is but one God, one mind, one power, and that power is perfect love. And that power is flowing through me here, now, in this moment, just as I am. Just as I am, the love of God pours through my heart and soul, allowing me to lift my eyes to a better knowing for myself, to lift my eyes from the turmoil and stresses of this world and keep them firmly affixed on the goodness, the kindness, and the compassion of God flowing through me to my life. So here today, I know something better for myself. Here today, I know I'm in life to enjoy, to have goodness and kindness and compassion overflowing. This is my truth. I celebrate it. I rejoice in it. And I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. Okay, my dear friends, I need a favor from you today. And it's not anything that's going to cost you money, and it's really very simple and easy to do. And it might be the blessing that someone is looking for. I just need you to like, to comment, or to share this video. And it's so simple. All you have to do in the comment section is just thank you. It really helps us with the algorithms of the YouTube. It means we get seen by a lot more people. So post a comment. If you have a prayer request or a question, you can post that as well. I'll be sure to answer them. It will help us and it will help the world out greatly. Thank you. You are a blessing to us and to the world. And until we see each other again, God bless us all.